how to create subdomain on cPanel. This is a step-by-step video, so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now, as of the moment, we are inside the cPanel tools right here. Once inside, you can just go ahead and scroll down until you came across the domain sections. From here, we have the site publisher, domains, redirect, zone editor, dynamic DNS. You can just go ahead and click on domains, and now it will take us to the domain of our website right here. You can just go ahead and click on create a new domain because we already have a main domain right here. Right after that, we will now be prompted to this screen right here where you can go ahead and add your new subdomain. Right after typing your subdomain, you can just go ahead and click on submit and you should be good to go. You can also go ahead and click on the shared document routes right here if you want to. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.